ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula is under fire for alleged political interference in both the City of Johannesburg's administrative affairs and the internal processes of the party's Greater Johannesburg's Regional Elective Conference. Sources within the ANC claim Mbalula issued direct instructions regarding the appointment of the city's new municipal manager and played a role in delaying the highly anticipated regional conference. Actions, critics say, were aimed at influencing outcomes in favor of preferred candidates. The municipal manager appointment saga escalated this week when a report detailed to a year-long recruitment process was expectedly rescinded just before it was set to be presented to the council. The reversal followed a hastily convened meeting at Luthuli House at the ANC's headquarters, where Mbalula reportedly summoned the party's Gauteng provincial and Johannesburg regional leadership. According to withdrawal report, former city manager Floyd Brink emerged as the top candidate with a score of 114, surpassing Sizi Miyaza and Tshepo Magola. However, ANC deployees in Johannesburg were reportedly instructed by Mbalula to pull the report, citing a failure to inform and brief national officials. Responding to the allegations, Mbalula said critics should approach him directly with any concern. Beyond the municipal manager controversy, Mbalula is also accused of influencing postponement of the ANC's Greater Johannesburg Regional Elective Conference. Regional coordinator Sasabona Manganye confirmed the delay, stating the postponement of the conference is informed by outstanding queries and disputes which require finalization so that the conference can focus on the agenda of changing and transforming the lives of the people of Johannesburg. The conference, now rescheduled for November 14 to 16, remains pending approval from Mbalula, intensifying speculation about his direct involvement. The regional race is shaping up to be fiercely contested. Current Johannesburg Mayor Dada Morera is vying for the regional chairperson position, facing a strong challenge from Regional Deputy Secretary Loyiso Masuku. Sasabona Manganye, along with Masuku, are considered pivotal figures in the upcoming contest. Morero's recent State of the City address has reportedly sparked discontent among some senior ANC members who have accused him of exhibiting an autocratic leadership style, while others dismiss these claims as factional maneuvers. The criticism underscores the deep divisions within the region. Branch nominations indicate a tight race for the chairperson post, with Morero backed by 51% of Johannesburg branches, narrowly ahead of Masuku at 49%. For the regional secretary position, Manganye leads with 62%, followed by Lebohang Chabalala at 21%. Analysts say these figures highlight the high stakes and the potential for a dramatic reshuffle in the region's leadership, an outcome Mbalula is accused of trying to influence from Luthuli House. Political analyst Dr. John Molepo said the accusations against Mbalula reflect ongoing tension between party structures and governance processes, particularly in major metropolitan areas, and said these coming weeks are likely to see further political maneuvering as factions vie for influence in both the City of Johannesburg and the ANC's regional leadership. Parties are expected to meet again on Tuesday ahead of the next Ordinary Council meeting on Thursday, promising more developments in the unfolding political drama. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.